to share your time with your own, a time of your own, a time for yourself, a time for your loved ones is precious. No matter how busy you are, no matter how successful you get, this time is vital and cannot be compromised. It could be a short span, a qualitative one, and the cherry on the top would be when these precious moments are amidst beautiful nature and pleasant surroundings. Care to share your life with Mother Nature? Now the question is, where would you find it in today's concrete and mechanical world? Here we come with all the prerequisites of your perfect moments sorted. A place you could own in the middle of admirable natural beauty, a home away from home. Care to share your mornings with hills? We get for you Rosewood, a project made with love in the midst of Sahyadri ranges, surrounded by breathtaking sights you couldn't get enough of. 145 kilometers from Mumbai and near 45 kilometers from the city of Nashik, very near to Vipassana Meditation Center and famous Bhandardara Bhavli Dams close by, is this amazing creation for you to have a lifetime experience of blissful happiness. Let us know the place better before we head towards the project details. Care to share your day with waterfalls? Basically, Igatpuri is a hill station situated in the Western Ghats, 600 meters above sea level, with a population of not more than 50,000. An untouched, undisturbed destination surrounded by the most beautiful ranges with numerous natural waterfalls is really the place to be at. Igatpuri is famous for its natural creation, the magic and the beauty of which just leaves you mesmerized. Besides, there are places worth visiting around Igatpuri like the famous Ghartan Devi Temple, Trambakeshwar, Kavnai, and Rosewood happens to be located amidst this intriguing beauty. To share your weekends with a cozy getaway? If you want to find nature's cozy holiday apartments, then Rosewood it is. We provide you with luxurious 1 BHK apartments with world-class amenities and recreational facilities right at your doorstep. To be precise, we offer you a spacious clubhouse, a swimming pool, a fully equipped gym, indoor games hall, trekking and hiking facilities, a multi-purpose functional hall, senior citizen park with green gym to work out in nature's company, yoga and meditation facilities, garden and park for children, 24 hours CCTV surveillance. What's more, apart from all this, we give you separately dedicated areas for various sports like volleyball, cricket, badminton, basketball, and many more, along with a poolside restaurant, ample parking space, concrete and well-lit roads, and last but not the least, an astro deck for stargazing. All this is just a decision away. Make a decision towards a happy, luxurious, and an amazing life. This limited edition project is specially just for you. An awesome place with awesome surroundings is waiting for the awesome people to come and experience eternal bliss. Rosewood, a classy getaway.